What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can withdraw Solana from Solflare wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. In order to do that, you just have to open up your Solflare wallet, and this is how it will look. Once the Solflare wallet is opened up, this is how it will look. You just have to click on the Solana you have, and then you just have to click on this send to send it to whichever you want. Now here you have to enter your recipient address. Now you won't directly be able to, withdraw Solflare to your bank account. Suppose you have Solana in your Solflare and you want to convert it or into your local currency like US dollars or British pounds. You won't be able to do that directly from the Solflare because it does not allow you that. In this case, you just have to transfer your Solana to any of the crypto exchange which allow you to do that. I would suggest you can go for Bybit by going to the link in the description if you have one, or you can choose the Binance. Totally depends upon you. Once you go to those platforms, you will have that crypto exchange set up. You will easily be able to transfer Solana from your Solflare to the Binance or any other crypto platform. You will easily be able to use the crypto exchange platform to transfer it to local currency. So you just have to enter your recipient address, could be any other wallet address. You just have to enter the wallet address, tap on send, and there you go. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.